Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Ihoifo. So if this is your first time here on my channel, please don't make it your last. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have been showing me here on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys the difference between the U-pin and the bobby pin, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use them and what you can use them for. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So guys, we're going to be starting with the bobby pin. This is what it looks like. So the bobby pin is a small piece of metal, and you can also have it in plastic. So this is what you can use to like hold your hair in position. So bobby pins comes like this. So the both ends are, put together on the tip, just like this. So it's different from the U-pin. So I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I use my bobby pins in this video. So just relax and turn on your volume and also pay attention to everything I'm going to be saying here on this video. The bobby pin comes in different sizes. There are smaller sizes, there are medium sizes, there are also the larger sizes. So for all the sizes, they also have different thing they do. So for the smaller sizes, I use it for ponytail. Like when I do the band and I want to stick the tip of the extension I use in wrapping or covering my tracks, I like to use the smaller bobby pins because this time it's going to just vanish into the hair and nobody will notice what's going on there. Then for medium bobby pins, I like to use it when I do like braids hairstyle. Like if you watched a video I posted some time ago, I'm going to be leaving it up here so you guys, or up here rather, so you guys can go watch it and understand or see the hairstyle I use the medium bobby pins for. So for braids, I like to use the medium one because it's not too big, it's just on a normal level. So I just like to use it to like secure the hair down so that people can really see what's going on there. Then for the larger bobby pins, I like to use it for securing what's it called, paddings, and also to make bonds, and also to like style hair on a normal. So bobby pins are what you can rock on a normal day. So let's say I want to go to the gym and I have my cornrows flying around and I don't want it to be in my face. I just take it like so and get the bobby pins and just secure it like this, so it will be off my face. So you can wear the regular bobby pins like the normal size. You can wear it on a regular day. Let's say you're working and you just want to put your hair together, you can just hold it and get the bobby pins to secure both ends. So you guys, this is what the U-pin looks like. So the U-pins are basically used for styling because of the openings they have. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but when I'm editing the video, if it's really not clear, I might leave a clip so you guys can see what the U-pin looks like. So unlike the bobby pin, you can only use the U-pin to style hair. Like I'm going to leave a video up here where I did the side swoop. So I used the U-pin to like secure it so it won't really look so tight. So that's like what the U-pin is used for, and you can also use it to secure your hair while styling before you spray. Then after spray, you can as well put it inside or take it out. It depends on what you're going for. So if you're going for hairstyles like this, it's better to use the U-pin because it just helps to like keep the hair fluffy and fresh, unlike the bobby pin that is going to like press the hair together. So if you don't want your hair to be like pressed down too much, it's advisable to secure with the bobby pin. Then on the surface you can just use the U-pin to like walk around it. So you guys, one very important thing I think I should share with you guys is the U-pin holds the hair incredibly well without so much effort. So it helps to like you playing around with styling when you're working with any hair. So that's one of the greatest or the importance of the U-pin, and I like it for that. So you guys, we just added a small spice, a small tutorial to this video so that you guys can actually understand how to use the bobby pins and the U-pins. Hi guys, welcome back once again. It's still me, Louis. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that. And also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.